Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to disconnect and reuse an expansion PEX fitting like this one. The first step is to use a utility knife to carefully slit that expansion ring. It's okay if you cut a little bit into the pipe underneath, but do not cut into the fitting itself. I find that a sharp carbide utility knife blade makes it a lot easier. After cutting through the ring, you can then try removing it using a large pair of pipe pliers. If this doesn't work, you may have to make another cut through the ring. Also, sometimes the end closest to the middle of the fitting doesn't get cut all the way, so pay extra attention to cutting that area. As you can see here, I can then snap that ring off using the utility knife and then just peel it right off like that. Now that the expansion ring has been removed, here comes the hard part, removing the pipe itself. To start, I use the utility knife again to score a very thin line along the pipe like so. Do not cut all the way through the pipe, as you will damage the fitting if you do that. Next, use a heat gun set to low to carefully heat up the pipe. Point it away from the fitting that you're trying to save and towards the pipe as shown, and slowly move it around, keeping the heat gun concentrated on the area that we scored with the utility knife in the last step. After about 2 minutes of heating, the pipe has turned slightly translucent where I had the heat gun pointed at it. At this point, we are ready to try to remove the pipe. I start by grabbing it and twisting a bit, and it does move, and I can see the joint is coming loose, but it still needs a bit more heat until we can safely remove it. As the PEX pipe heats up, it becomes softer, and since the pipe is expanded over the fitting, it's actually starting to split right where we scored it in that earlier step. Once you see the pipe starting to split, you can stop heating and then grab the pipe and pull it right off like that. Here's the removed section of pipe. If you're working with a short cut-off section, you can use pliers like these to grab it and pull it off. After removing the pipe from the fitting, it's crucial that you inspect it to make sure there's no damage before making a new connection. As you can see here, this PEX fitting is in perfect condition and we're ready to connect the new pipe onto it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. I'll have a link to all the tools and supplies used in the video description, and I'll see you all next time.